In this tutorial, you learn how to install Node.js on your computer and run your first simple JavaScript program using the Node runtime. You begin by downloading the correct version of Node.js for your system, installing it, and confirming that both Node and npm are working. After that, you create a small JavaScript file and run it from the terminal to make sure everything is set up correctly. Step 1. Download Node.js. The first step is to download and install Node.js, which includes both the Node runtime and npm Node package manager on your device. Open your terminal, macOS Linux X, or Command Prompt Windows and verify that Node.js is properly installed on your operating system by running the following command. To download and install Node.js on macOS, the recommended approach is to use NVM, Node Version Manager. NVM allows you to manage multiple versions of Node.js easily without conflicting with system installations. First, install NVM by following the instructions from the official repository. Once NVM is set up, you can use it to install the latest version of Node.js with a simple command. During the installation, npm Node Package Manager is automatically included, allowing you to manage dependencies and packages for your projects. After the installation, you can verify that Node.js and npm are working correctly by checking their versions in the terminal. This method ensures a flexible and reliable Node.js setup on macOS. On Windows, one of the easiest ways to install Node.js is by using Chocolatey, a package manager for Windows. First, ensure that Chocolatey is installed on your system. Once installed, you can open Command Prompt or PowerShell and use Chocolatey to download and install the latest version of Node.js. This installation will automatically include npm Node Package Manager, which allows you to manage project dependencies and run Node.js applications. After the installation is complete, you can verify that both Node.js and npm are properly installed by checking their versions in the terminal. Using Chocolatey makes it simple to manage Node.js updates and ensures a smooth setup on Windows systems. On Linux, you can install Node.js efficiently using NVM, Node Version Manager, which is well suited for managing multiple Node.js versions on a single system. Unlike macOS, Linux often requires installing build tools and updating your shell configuration after NVM installation. After downloading and installing NVM using the official script, you can install the desired Node.js version and automatically get npm alongside it. You can also set a default Node.js version for your user account and switch between versions easily. Finally, verify the installation by checking the versions of Node.js and npm in your terminal. This approach ensures a robust and flexible Node.js environment tailored to Linux systems. On IBM X systems, Node.js can be installed and managed using NVM, Node Version Manager, which simplifies handling multiple versions without affecting system-level packages. First, download and set up NVM following the official instructions for X-compatible shells. Once NVM is configured, you can fetch and install the Node.js version you need, which will automatically include npm for package management. After installation, confirm that Node.js and npm are working correctly by checking their versions in the terminal. This setup provides a controlled and flexible Node.js environment on X, making it easier to maintain and update different Node.js versions over time. Let's try an example. Open your terminal and enter the first command to download and install NVM, Node Version Manager. This command will fetch the installation script and set up NVM on your system, allowing you to manage multiple versions of Node.js easily. After installing NVM, you need to set up Node.js. First, ensure that NVM is loaded in your current terminal session by running $home nvm sh. This makes the NVM command available without restarting your terminal. Then, use NVM to download and install the version of Node.js you want. Once the installation is complete, verify that Node.js is installed correctly by checking its version with Node.v. Similarly, confirm that npm is installed and working properly by running npm-v. Completing these steps ensures that both Node.js and npm are ready to use, allowing you to create and manage your projects smoothly. Step 2. Open VS Code. Opening VS Code prepares you to create project folders, write JavaScript files, and run Node.js on a local server. First, open the Node demo folder you have created on your local computer. Use the npm initialization command to generate a package.json file, which stores your project's settings and dependencies. Type npm init. This gives your project a proper structure and prepares it for installing packages or running a server script. This file acts as the blueprint for your Node.js project and stores important information that Node and npm use to manage your app. The next step is to create a new file called index.js, which create a folder to type your code. Type console log Node.js lesson. When you run node index.js, it print the console message which is Node.js lesson. The following code creates an HTTP server object using Node's built-in HTTP module. That server listens for incoming requests and sends a response back to the client. When type node index.js, it shows server running at localhost 3000. Click on the link to open the Node.js server. The web server shows the console server message, "Hello from Node.js server." You have successfully completed this tutorial for Node.js. This marks a great step in your journey as a developer. Now that you've learned the basics, try exploring advanced topics like modules, asynchronous programming, and APIs. You can strengthen your skills by building small projects, such as a simple web server or a command line tool, and experimenting with different Node.js libraries.